Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Acon Mission HemoPro Hemoglobin Microcuvettes. So as you can see, this is the top and this is the front view of the kit. You can see this is the Acon Mission HemoPro Hemoglobin Microcuvettes. You can see the Mission HemoPro Hemoglobin Microcuvettes, the lot number, the manufacturing and the expiry date. You can see it is manufactured by Acon Biotech, and also you can see this is a IVD test kit. The optimal temperature is between 2 to 40 degrees Celsius. You can see this is a 200 test pack over here. So on the top, let me show you this. This is the Mission HemoPro Hemoglobin Microcuvettes. You can see there are 15 to 50 microcuvettes packed with one pack insert. You can see it is for diagnostic, in vitro diagnostic use only, and these are these images. So let me show you the sides. As you can see, this is the catalog number C13330111201. You can see Mission HemoPro Hemoglobin Microcuvettes, and you can see this is the manufacturing address over here. So guys, let me open this for you. So as you can see on the top, there is this IFE brochure for the Mission Hemoglobin Microcuvettes. You can see this is the Mission HemoPro Hemoglobin Microcuvettes. You can find the reference number, the catalog number, and all the other details. So let me open this for you. So as you can see, this is the IFE brochure for the HemoPro Mission HemoPro Hemoglobin Microcuvettes. As you can see, it is manufactured by Acon Biotech in China. Okay, let me fold this and keep this aside. Okay, then as you can see, there are 4 microcuvettes vials are present, and each microcuvettes contains 50 of these microcuvettes. So a total number of 200 microcuvettes per pack. So let me take this out. So as you can see, this is the Mission HemoGlobin Pro Hemoglobin Microcuvettes. You can see the reference number, the lot number, the expiry. So this vial contains 50 microcuvettes. So 4 vials, 200 tests can be performed in this kit. You can see the manufacturing address from Acon Biotech from China. So let me open this for you. So as you can see, these are these microcuvettes. Let me take one. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the Acon microcuvette. As you can see, this is the Acon microcuvette, which is used with the HemoPro meter. You can see, as you can see, it contains all these details over here. So there are like 50 individual packs present per each vial, so that a pack size of 200 can be done. So this is the vial. So like this, there are 4 vials present. This is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Acon Mission HemoPro Hemoglobin Microcuvettes. To sum this up, we have 4 of these vials. The Mission HemoPro Hemoglobin Microcuvettes 4 vials. Each of them contains 50 of these microcuvettes. A total of 200 tests can be performed. Then we have the IFU brochure in the instructions for use. So this is the entire unboxing of Mission HemoPro Hemoglobin Microcuvette analyzer. Thank you.